Hop above the turntable. Look at this one. Let's have a look at these balls. Look. It's so cute. Wow. Shark. Shark. Cute shark. Let's get another one. I'm collecting the balls. One ball. Where is a mask? Ame! That's right. At first I was like, who is this? And then I looked at it and I was like, oh, it is Ame. Duh. So cute. Well, here we go. I see a rat. Oh no. A rat. Wait. Oh no. A rat. A rat. What? A rat. A rat. Oh no. Oh sugar. It's a rat. This one kind of could be a mask too. Merry Christmas. Wow. IRyS. It's IRyS. IRyS. It's IRyS. I like it. It's like a snow globe. I make it a tradition to get my Nan snow globes. Now she's sick of snow globes. Heh. Now I get them just because it's funny. Like little tiny ones. I'm Fauna. Fauna. This one's a whole doll. Look at that. Oh, she's a reindeer. I was like, why does she have a collar? She's a reindeer. She's such a dear. She's such. Oh, you're such a dear. Another one. Look at this one. Oh, I'm holding it the wrong way around. There we go. But why? But why? Nya nya. Nya nya. Meow, meow, meow. I don't know what's... why are we telling Kronii to meow? I haven't caught up with that yet. I don't understand yet. Meow, 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 meow. But why? I'm falling down. Wow! Look at this! Wow. Taco! Guys! It's Santa! It's the real Santa! Look. Oh, Santa! Have you been good? Have you been good, boys and girls? I am Taco Santa. Wow. Santa go. Ho 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 ho. Merry Christmas. Taco Santa. Very cute. There you go, Taco Santa. Let's go. Wow. Hi. Superhero landing. Who? Who? Oh, hi. Oh, hi. I think this was the good. They're seated on top. Ooh. Haunted rat. Like a totem pole. Sit there. Oh, hi. We're moving now. This one, I think, is Calli's. Yeah. Ooh. Superhero landing. Anybody want a drink? It's tomato juice. Tomato juice. Tomato, tomato. Potato, potato. Let's cool the whole thing off. Mori Calliope! Mori Calliope! Gah. Gah. So cute. Oh. Kikariki. I say it wrong every time. I get conscious now. Kikariki. I think I said it right. I've said it wrong for so long. It's ingrained in my mind.